Okay, this is a level 46 base. Pretty much what you're going to see, not bad setup, but I'm going to exploit all the weaknesses. So instead of using air, I'm going to use oh shit.
One of the weaknesses of that mess.
It's recording. So, as you can see, tacking is pretty simple. You just got to build the right tune to do it. And you can see he's got full defenses going, as in the video. Right now he's saying, oh shit, my ass is getting killed. But you can see with the right units, that's what it boils down to, just building the right platoon. I tried to build this one to be universal because it can kill both air and ground units. As you can see, I can just walk right through this guy's base. Alright, now we're going to go to another one. If I can find another dumbass. Let's see. No, just leave it unlocked. Okay. Here's a base that's got active defenders. So you've got Seekers. He's got a couple of tanks, Artemis, and everybody else. So instead of sending the air, I'm going to send in the oh shit tune and just show you how it is when you come up against people. See, now he's actively trying to defend, but not working too well. As you can see, getting a little more fight, but not. He's gonna lose his ass. And like I said, it just comes down to making the right platoon for what you want. Fortunately, I think I got one of the best ones made that I have in years. Taking out the base pretty simply. And it's just targeting everything that you think. Now, watch this go. Oh, he's got that max. Now, look, it's gone. Take out the defenders as fast as you can, especially if you want to hit with air. But since the Seekers only hit air, they make easy targets. And you can see Romeo doing a lot of work, and his base is basically decimated. Even though he's trying to actively prevent it, but I just got a little bit outgunned. Yeah. Oh, this is fun. The controllers are really nice. And you can see he'd be dead.